For a long time, I believed that a high-paying job was the ultimate goal. More money meant more success, right? That's what we're often told. But over time, I realized that chasing a high salary came with a hidden cost: my peace, my time, and my health. I used to work long hours, barely took breaks, and was always available even on weekends. I told myself it was worth it because the paycheck was big, but slowly I started feeling empty. I was always tired, missing out on time with family and friends, and had no energy left for the things I truly enjoyed. One day I paused and asked myself a simple question. Is this the life I want to live for the next 10 or 20 years? The answer was no. I didn't want to just work and earn. I wanted to live. I wanted time to rest, travel, read, exercise, and simply do nothing when I felt like it. That's when I made the decision to step away from the high-stress, high-salary lifestyle. It wasn't easy. People questioned my choice. Some thought I was making a mistake. But I knew I had to make a change for my own well-being. Now I have a job that pays enough, not the highest, but it allows me to breathe. I have time for my family, I sleep better, I enjoy my weekends, I feel alive again. Work-life balance gave me something a big paycheck couldn't: happiness, health, and freedom. I didn't give up on ambition. I just redefined success. For me, success is not just about money. It's about living a life I don't need a vacation from. And if you ever feel stuck in the cycle of endless work and no life, remember this: money is important, but your time and peace of mind are priceless.